I think if you need to win a man through food, then you've got a problem. One of the things that's most attractive in life and makes everyone feel attracted is that if you're comfortable in your skin, it's very important to keep relaxed, because if you start stressing about the perfect dinner, it's never going to work. And I suppose I try and write recipes that you can cook and feel that you're yourself. They get to know you. They're not just going to get to know a nervous wreck in the kitchen. So my rule is always keep it simple. Never cook something for the first time. You may feel a bit ridiculous practicing, but at least you know you've made it, you know it works, and you can then really concentrate on your night.